I'm Agee, and this is my Operation School Bell story. I'm 27 years old, and I'm an avid shoe collector. I have lots of shoes, but it hasn't always been that way. I grew up in the projects of Las Vegas. At night, I slept in the parks. In the daytime, I go to school to eat, not necessarily to learn. I remember when I was in class one day, a strange lady came in and started speaking with my teacher, but I noticed they were looking at me. It felt weird when they were looking at me, because I didn't have all the greatest clothes or coolest shoes. Next thing I know, I was on a bus headed to who knows where, but it felt kind of like a field trip. We arrived at the warehouse, and it was filled with clothes, more than I could dream of. And I got excited, but when I seen how many pairs of shoes they had, I lost my mind. Now remember, I love shoes, so I'm walking down the aisle searching for a pair of shoes. Not just any pair of shoes, but a pair of shoes that I know I can show off to my friends and the people who see me walking by. The volunteer was helping me with my search. We came around the corner, and there they were, plain as day. We grabbed them off the shelf, I sat down and tried them on, and they fit. It's like they were custom made for me. Though I came to School Bell in rags, I left with new clothes, a brand spanking new pair of shoes, a new backpack, and on the bus ride back to school, I had a huge smile on my face. I'm 27 years old now, and I'm still thankful for Operation School Bell. I'm a proud father now. I served 6 years in the Navy, and now I'm looking forward to a new career. Operation School Bell was a part of my life, and it gives me hope for what's next. And I still love shoes. I'm Agee, and this is my Operation School Bell story.